The 2022 NX was reconceived from the inside out to be more in tune with you. To forge a connection between driver, vehicle and the world like never before. It offers next-generation technology that blends innovation with intuition. With Lexus' first technology so intelligent, it alerts the driver and passengers to avoid the risk of accidental door contact with vehicles or cyclists. The new NX will come equipped with Lexus Safety System 3.0, infusing extraordinary into the everyday. New and more powerful engines are featured across the NX line, including a Lexus first plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the NX 450h AWD. Introducing a vehicle crafted to the highest standard of all, yours. Introducing the NX ALL new design. Forging an indelible impression, the NX boasts an entirely new platform that sets the stage for all the possibilities that follow. Punctuating its powerful stance, it also offers striking new 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels. From the refined spindle grille to the new full-width blade tail lamps and Lexus rear badging, the all-new 2022 Lexus NX emits a powerful message to those approaching the luxury crossover. At the front, the updated grille pattern and frame create a more integrated feel to the body of the vehicle. Made up of 12 U-shaped blocks, the spindle grille is designed for a three-dimensional effect and creates 2022 Lexus NX release a sense of depth while expressing a strong impression. Driver-focused cockpit design. The NX's driver-centered cockpit has been meticulously designed with a focus on connecting the driver to the vehicle. The 7-inch multi-instrument display MID and optional 10-inch head-up display HUD, both NX firsts, are designed to convey vehicle information, alerts and updates, within the driver's line of sight. The MID's single-meter layout is made more visible by a high-definition screen. The exciting turbo-gas-powered engine boasts an estimated 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-ft of torque. Combined, these result in a 0-60 time of 6.8 seconds, a half-second quicker than the previous model. Additionally, the NX 250 provides a naturally aspirated gas engine to round out the options for guests interested in a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gas engine with start/stop functionality. With an 8-speed transmission, this model is available in both FWD and AWD options. Delivering an estimated 203 horsepower and 184 pounds-ft of torque, combined results in 2,000 to 60 times of 8.2 seconds FWD and 8.6 seconds AWD respectively. Performance and range with the NX 450h plug-in hybrid in a first for Lexus. The new plug-in hybrid vehicle PHEV system brings Lexus electrified to life through performance and the signature quietness of a PHEV model. The NX 450h has a manufacturer-estimated 36-mile range on electric power only, made possible by the newly developed, high-capacity lithium-ion battery. The system achieves the EV output equivalent to a 2.0-liter engine. When combined with the newly developed hybrid transaxle, a 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine delivers on the performance luxury guests are seeking with an estimated 6.0 seconds 0-60 time. A high-output, high-efficiency system designed to reduce power loss when converting from AC power to DC power, results in shorter charging times. Using the maximum charging current of 240V, the Lexus NX plug-in hybrid can be fully charged in approximately 2.5 hours when equipped with the optional 6.6 kW expedited onboard charger. With a standard 3.3 kW onboard charger, charge time goes up slightly to 4.5 hours. The NX 450h employs an electronically controlled, full-time AWD system for a confident, sporty driving experience. Optimizing front and rear torque distribution according to the driving conditions, the driver can control the vehicle as intended. In turns, the NX AWD provides exhilarating yet elegant control for normal to aggressive driving styles. Predictive efficient drive couples with the navigation system, learns driving habits, predicts the expected roadway ahead and analyzes real-time traffic reports to optimize charging and discharging of the hybrid battery. The more miles the NX is driven, the more data is gathered to help optimize fuel consumption. The system also uses accumulated knowledge about a driver's behavior to predict when and where the vehicle is likely to slow down or stop. For example, when the NX approaches a location where the driver has slowed or stopped in the past, and the driver releases the accelerator pedal, predictive efficient drive increases regenerative braking, allowing more efficient energy to be recovered and recharged into the hybrid battery. Hybrid combines performance and fuel economy with the all-new Lexus NX 350h. Guests can have both great performance and fuel economy. With a combined 239 horsepower, a 20% increase over the current model, an impressive manufacturer estimated 36 mpg, an increase of 6 mpg over the current model, the NX Hybrid brings a powerful performance that illustrates the brand's hybrid leadership. Guests will also notice the quicker 0-60 time with 1.5 seconds shaved off the time from prior generations at 7.2 seconds. The Lexus Hybrid Drive System pairs the D4S fuel injection 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with two high-torque electric drive motor generators for strong acceleration and passing performance. Instead of transfer gears and a drive shaft to the rear wheels, the AWD system employs a second, independent electric motor to drive the rear wheels when it detects it is needed to help maintain optimal traction.